If you want to connect Mailchimp to your Wix website, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step so you can sync your site and start growing your email list the easy way. Whether you're building a newsletter sign-up form, collecting leads, or just making sure your marketing tools work together, this setup is a smart move for any website owner. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the integration section. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of its connected app options and website tools. Click on Integrations to continue. Next, you'll want to go to the Connected Sites or Manage area. In this case, click on Manage so you can view the integration settings and find the Wix connection. This page is where Mailchimp lets you control which website platforms are linked to your account. Now scroll down until you see Wix in the list of available integrations. Once you find it, click Connect. This tells Mailchimp that you want to begin the setup process for your Wix site. After that, you'll be taken to the Wix integration page, where Mailchimp will prepare the connection between both platforms. On the next screen, click Connect again to move forward. Mailchimp may ask you to continue through a permission or setup prompt, so go ahead and click Continue when it appears. At this point, the system may also ask you to log in if you are not already signed into your Wix account. If prompted, sign in to Wix with the account that owns the website you want to connect. This is important because you need the correct site permissions in order to complete the integration successfully. After logging in, you'll see a site selector screen. Choose the Wix website you want to connect to Mailchimp. Once you've selected the correct site, click Agree and Add. This authorizes the connection and allows Mailchimp to link with your Wix website. After that, the integration will begin, syncing setup details between the two platforms. The final step is to click Sync Now. This tells Mailchimp to start syncing your Wix site with your Mailchimp account so your forms, audience tools, and connected features can start working together. Depending on your setup, this may take a few moments to complete, and that's it. You've successfully added Mailchimp to your Wix website. Now you can start using both platforms together to build your email list, manage contacts, and improve your marketing workflow. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.